Hello, in this video we are going to perform an arthroscopic anterior-inferior tibiofibular ligament repair with syndesmosis stabilization and treatment of chronic tibiofibular instability. Right ankle is being operated on. Here you can see radiograph of an ankle with syndesmotic injury, visibly widened joint space, loss of tibiofibular overlap, and widening of the distal tibiofibular syndesmosis. MRI scans show AITFL damage. The view from the anteromedial arthroscopic portal provides vision into the ankle joint and lets to assess damaged structures. Preparing suture anchor implantation site with a shaver. The guide is applied to ensure optimal anchor placement in the tibia. Then an implant is inserted. A spectrum suture passer loaded with PDS suture is introduced through the anterolateral portal and is used to pass thread from the suture anchor implant via lasso loop technique. It is performed 2 times. Single suture might be used as well. In the next step, dynamic tibiofibular stabilization is performed using 2 hi-fi tapes and plates. Scan shows the input direction of the hi-fi tapes through tibia and fibula with endobaton plate and washer plate at the opposite ends. After stabilization is achieved, a knot pusher is used to tie the AITFL sutures. After the correct implant position is confirmed and joint stability is checked, the wounds are closed and sealed with a sterile dressing. Thank you.